Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive automatically with n8n. So firstly, open up n8n, log into your n8n account. Once you've logged into your account here, click on the create workflow option here, which is on your top right there. Just click on it to start a new workplace. So here in this workflow here, what we're going to do, click on add first step. Okay, so just click that up. And then once you click that, and then here select manual triggers. Okay, and then now click on this plus icon here, and then what from here you're going to choose OpenAI. Okay, so select OpenAI from these, and then from the action you can choose like generate an image. So for example here, generate an image. Okay, you can just use that, and then you can now connect your credentials here. So you can click on new credentials, and then you can use your OpenAI. You need the API key from your OpenAI, so you can go open up your ChatGPT OpenAI account and then plug in those details here and save it. Once you're done, hit on save it. Okay, and once that's done, what you're going to do is you're going to like come back here, come back to the canvas here, and then click on the add option again here, and then in the search bar search for Google Drive. Okay, and select Google Drive. And when you select the Google Drive and then the action, what you're going to do is you're going to select like upload a file. So let's click on upload a file. And then now all you have to do is set up the parameters. So you're going to link your Google Drive file here. So click on the credentials, click on create new credentials. And then what we're going to do, just you're going to like connect. You can choose how do you want to connect these. You have these two options here, the service account authorization. You can select that, and then once you have selected it, you can plug in the client ID and client service options here, the details here. If you have issues connecting it, you can click on these. There's a document link here which guides you with a step-by-step guide on how to connect the drive exactly to and get this information, connect the drive. So you can do that, and once you've connected these here, okay, once that's done, so you've connected here successfully, you can just go back, and then you can fill in these informations here. So what you want, like the actions and everything in this, our action is we're going to upload, so the operation is upload. You can leave that and then choose where do you want to the folders and files, where do you want to do all those things. You can just customize it here. Once you're done with all these, setting up all these parameters, click on execute step. Okay, and once that's done, you can click on get back to canvas. So now you have this set up, and you can try to execute or test this by clicking on the execute workflow. And that's basically pretty much it is.